Hey guys, here is a quick overview of the floral textures here in use. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And like always, you can, what I do is when I put them here, I change them to a soft light blend mode. You can play around with multiple blend modes to suit your style and what you're looking to achieve. And then I also typically reduce the opacity. And then you can also add a Gaussian blur to give it, a more realistic look. Not much. Well, it's going to depend on how far away your subject is from the background, but I find if I have my subject about 5 or 6 feet away, I'll usually do like a 3 pixel blur. So there's a 5, 6. And again, you can take these, Control-T, and move them around. You don't even have to keep the same ratio. It's very painterly, so you could flip it however you want. There's 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And the floral collection of overlays that I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. I'll be adding more. I'm going to link this product below if you're watching this on YouTube. And if you're on my website, then obviously you're already there, so you don't need to have the link to the product. There are lots to choose from. There's many, many different styles. I have impasto, I have Renaissance, I have oil painting, I have digital painting. So check out the texture section of the website if you love floral textures. It is a great, inexpensive way to add a story to your image, to bring it to life. Instead of spending hundreds on a backdrop, you can just pop in a digital texture here and completely change the look of your image, and makes it easy for shooting. I typically will shoot on gray, which is a neutral background, so there's no color casting, and then gray also takes overlays very well. So there you go. I hope you enjoy it, and keep an eye out for more coming soon. Until next time, stay enchanted.